Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2019 Ram 1500 Classic Warlock. It comes equipped with a 5.7-liter Hemi V8 engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated bucket seats, power sliding sunroof, as well as a tonneau cover, sport performance hood, and so much more. Come check it out. So you're going to have this gray and black interior. You're going to have lots of extra storage and paneling at the bottom, equipped with an Alpine Sound System. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the chrome accents. Here we're going to have these leather heated seats, super comfortable, driver adjustable lumbar there, super nice. On the left side will be your vents and as well as your lighting control. Left side of steering wheel will be your voice recognition and odometer clutch control, with the right being your cruise. You got the dial shifter there with the 2- and 4-wheel drive and onto the infotainment. So here you're going to have all your controls, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, heated steering wheel, as well as you can access your backup camera here. With built-in SOS and OnStar, you got your app manager as well as your projection manager with your Android or Apple device, and pretty straightforward. Climate controls in the bottom, park assist and heated seats and steering wheel right there with an AC wall port. Lots of extra storage in the center console, more storage in there, as well as more storage down below. Passenger side, same finish but manually adjustable. Leather heated finish, gray and black all the way across. Again, the Alpine Sound System. And then here you can access your radio lamps, and as well as your power rear sliding window and power sliding sunroof. So you're getting these black 20-inch wheels on Salem Terramax all-terrain tires. You're going to have classic badging, sport performance hood, as well as some paint match mirror caps. Door handles coming to the back. You're going to have the Warlock badging with the dual exhaust. Blackout lettering here. And as well as you're going to have your bed tie downs with built-in lamps and the folding tonneau cover. It's a very spacious rear. All right, moving on to the rear interior. Again, more paneling and storage next to the speaker. Power window with chrome accent. Off the back. Very decent legroom. Storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear heated seats, and as well as 12-volt DC port on the bottom there. Got the cup holders, built-in cup holder and armrest right in the center. The seat folds up for more storage. You got lamps and hooks in the back with the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2019 Ram 1500 Classic Warlock, equipped with a 5.7-liter Hemi V8 engine, as well as leather heated seats, heated rear seating, power sliding sunroof, sport performance hood, backup camera, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.